This is SoundSheet, the all-in-one app for production sound, your schedule, your gear, and your billing in one place. Welcome to the walkthrough series. Today, days. What you'll learn, how to read the days list, and what every part of a day card means. Creating a day, type, status, times, rate, client. Filtering, sorting, searching, archiving, and the calendar view. Everything inside a day, scenes, SFX, scout notes, kit checklist, timesheet, billing, photos. Duplicating days, creating many days at once, and exporting a day report. If you do production sound, your whole life is shooting days that move, stack up, and fall through. The Days tab is where you get them under control. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to build a day from scratch, fill in every detail that matters on set, and turn it into a clean report. Let's get into it. The list. This is your schedule. Every card is one day, sorted with the newest at the top by default. Read a card left to right. There's a colored bar showing its status, the title you gave it, the day type, the date, and on the right, the rate you'll earn. One glance tells you what the day is, whether it's locked, and what it's worth. Got 100 days in here? Use search at the top to jump straight to one by title. And if you'd rather see the month laid out, switch from the list to the calendar view. Your booked days show up on the grid so you can spot gaps and clashes at a glance. Filtering and sorting. Under the title is a row of filter pills. These are multi-select. That's the key. Tap Set and you see only set days. Tap Rental as well, and now you see both, stacked together. The 5 day types are Set, SFX, Scout, Rental, and Prep Day. There's a dedicated archived pill too, so finished jobs never clutter your working list but are always one tap away. And flip the sort between newest first and oldest first, depending on whether you're looking ahead or looking back. To archive a day, just swipe the row. Swipe again later to bring it back. Nothing's ever deleted by accident. Creating a day. Let's build one. Tap the plus in the top right corner. Give it a clear title. Episode 6, Exterior City Finale, Day 3. Future you will thank present you for being specific. Pick the type. Set is your standard shoot day. SFX is a dedicated sound effects session. Scout is a recce or location visit. Rental is when you're just renting gear out, no labor. And Prep Day is your setup, gear test, and load-in. The type also changes which sections you'll see inside the day, so choose honestly. Set the date, leave it all day, or switch that off to enter specific call and wrap times, useful when you're tracking a tight schedule. Now, status. This is the one most people underuse. Mark it hold while it's penciled in, confirmed once the job is locked, and canceled if it dies. Shooting dates shuffle constantly. This is how you keep tentative and firm bookings visually separate without a spreadsheet. Inside a day, the overview. Tap any day to open it. This is mission control for that shoot. At the top is the overview. Title, type, date, status, client, and rate, all editable. Below that, SoundSheet gives you dedicated sections for everything a recordist actually tracks. Let's go through them. Scenes. The Scenes section is your shooting breakdown. Tap Add Scene and fill in the scene number, the set name, a location tag, and whether it's day or night. Set the speaking cast count and a priority so you know what's critical. Then, the flags that matter to us. Does this scene need ADR, wild lines, room tone, or has it got production FX to deal with? Room tone is on by default because you should always grab it. As you work the day, tick off what you've captured. Room tone recorded, wild lines recorded, scene complete, and drop in a timecode reference so post can find it. Got a script breakdown in a spreadsheet? Don't retype it. Import your scenes straight from a CSV, and they all land here at once. On an SFX day, this is where you live. SFX are organized into categories: ambience, Foley, impact, nature, vehicle, weapon, and more. Add a category, then add entries inside it. Each entry tracks its name, the perspective, the mic you used, the take count, a status, a duration, and a timecode reference. And it speaks the industry standard, full UCS import and export, the universal category system used by Soundly, SoundMiner, and BaseHead. Build your list here, export it, and it drops straight into your sound library workflow. Scout Notes. On a Scout day, you get Scout Notes, perfect for a recce. Each note has a title, a category, your observations, and, crucially, a noise risk rating. So when you walk a location, you log exactly what's going to fight you on the day: traffic, aircon, a flight path overhead. The Kit Checklist. Every day gets a kit checklist. Tap Add from Inventory to pull gear in from your inventory. And notice you can add a single item or a whole kit from the top of that screen in one tap. We'll cover building those kits in the templates episode. Set the quantity for each item. SoundSheet shows you what's actually available on this date. Gear booked on another day with the same date reduces availability, so you can't accidentally double book a mic. On the day, tick each item as you pack it. You can log battery levels and types too: AA, NP-F, Hiroshi, Phantom, so nothing dies on you mid-take. Timesheet. Flip on the timesheet and log your call time, wrap time, and the minutes you took for breaks. SoundSheet calculates your worked hours automatically, and from your day rate, it can even show an effective hourly rate. That's your evidence when overtime is on the line. Billing. Simple versus detailed. By default, a day bills on the simple mode, 1 day rate. But switch to detailed billing and you can break the day into line items: day rate, overtime, a kit fee, travel, and custom other charges, each with its own amount. This is what flows, line by line, into a detailed invoice later. Media. Attach photos to the day. Scout shots, your setup, where the gear lives on the cart. Tap any photo to open it full screen and pinch to zoom right in. You can also add a voice memo here. Power moves. 2 big time savers. First, duplicate day. From the menu, copy a day and tick exactly what carries over: scenes, kit, billing. So tomorrow's near identical day takes seconds, not minutes. Second, bulk creation. Booking a whole feature block? Create every day across a date range at once and apply a template to all of them. Then fine-tune each one. A 2-week shoot is set up in under a minute. And when production wants paperwork, export a clean day report PDF straight from the day. Recap. So that's days. You can build a day with the right type, status, and rate. Break it down into scenes, SFX, and Scout Notes. Pack it with a priced kit. Track your hours, bill it simple or detailed, and duplicate or batch it to save real time. This is the heartbeat of SoundSheet. Everything else connects back to here. Next episode, we build the foundation everything draws from: your inventory. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop questions in the comments and find the app at soundsheet.app. See you in the next one.